Welcome to another Get Stuff Done session from Rohan at MyDigiVA CRM system. In this video, I am going to take you through this exciting new drop that's just been released through the CRM, a great feature that's just been released from the Go Highlevel platform. And this one's all about the wonderful gift cards and how you can now level up your business with not only with your customers to purchase gift cards and gift those wonderful gifts to their clients and customers. And it's another great way of keeping those customers engaged and loyal into your brand. So within the CRM, what you're going to do, you will now see in the payment section, you'll see this new gift card section in the top right hand corner when you come into the system. And then what this does is brings you up your little client portal of what you can see and interact with within the system. And it's very straightforward, really intuitive. We get a couple of high level overview of what we've done, what we've sold, our design, even your own little gift cards, how we do this, edit it and send all these details. What I'm going to do, I'm going to walk you through very quickly how this is done and how it works and is sold on your sites. So we'll start by creating a gift card and we will call it, I don't know, May the Gift time. Let's have a look. Buy some extra time. Okay, so what you can do, give it a title, give it a short description that sort of features itself when someone is presenting with this gift card, a little short description about, you know, what the customers understand what the purpose of the gift does. Right. Here, what we can do is then just set an expiry date. If it's only a short-term redemption or long-term or doesn't have an expiry date, you can just keep this checked or choose when you want the link to expire. Now, what you can do now, if you are looking at doing this in-person event, so it doesn't have to go to a link to redeem it, it can just be presented if you're running a restaurant, a shop, or a bricks and mortar business, or if it's redeemable online to purchase your online products, you would just select your link. And then from here, this site is pretty good. It will pull through all those links that you have. Where's the landing place where they can go to your shop and redeem this product? For us, it's in our shop here. So we're going to link them that, hey, come into our shop. It's going to go to my store page. They'll see all our products where they can redeem that gift card. And in here, any additional terms that you may have against that gift card. And then once we've done that section here, you will just hit continue to go to the next sort of stage, and then you can this will give you an option where you can start adding up some more templates. So here I've just done a couple of pre-built ones here, but you can upload your own template, your own little design to see how that visualization is going to look, this i.e. what's it going to look like on the front of that business card, but making note that you need to keep this within 800 by 400, and I would recommend not putting lots of text and word in there because there's lots of text that's going to sit on top. So the other way around, I guess you can just use this with your sort of brand colors. So dropping in your colors here, for example, you may want to just have some nice little gradient feel by dropping in your hex codes, change the direction, bottom to left, or however you want to do that gift card. And then once you've done, you can create as many different styles and templates by adding it in here. For this one, I'm going to select a template I've already done, and then what we can do is select how many denominations you can feature, how many times they can purchase, or what values they can have. And for us, I guess we're going to sell some time here, so we're going to have a £45 one. We might do a couple of hours. We might do a 10-hour bundle. So maybe giving it a category. If you want one, we'll call this, I've created a category called gift cards, but if you do multiple ones, you could have your products A, your product B category, and your product C category, and have lots of different variations of gift cards that you can check out. That template, lovely. So what this will now do is give you that sort of look and feel in terms of that gift card and how it's going to look when it's being presented. We can see it's sort of, I've got my expiry, the gift of time, I've got a short description, and here's a QR code that when it's presented gives your customers that quick link to get stuff done. And again, if this looks good, you want to change it, you can just edit this before you do the final sort of step. And the next step is just creating that gift card, and hey presto, you now have a gift card in your store that is now ready to rock and roll. Now, step two, this is kind of important because you've got two ways of selling this. You can either, as a business, you can actually just send these free of charge. Let's say now it's a run up to Christmas. I want to gift my clients an extra hour on me for Christmas. And what I can do if I wanted to, we can now see our little gift cards here. And what I can do is now actually decide if I want to send this directly. So I don't need to purchase as a business, but I want to gift someone one of these cards. And what you will do is you will come to um, your CR, you'll come to this section here, select who you want to send that gift to. And when you press, again, very self-intuitive, we can say, Merry Christmas, here's a gift from me, as an example. Or use some of these sort of cool little predefined snippets already for you. You press continue. Then we're just saying how much are you gifting from those denominations. This one's going to be £45. We can send it by an SMS. We can send a QR code via email. We can drop it in a PDF if it wants to be printed and brought into bricks and mortar business. Here, I'm just going to email. I'm going to send it by email. Select the delivery date, so you can have this. Hey, it doesn't need to go yet. I'm going to send this. If it was Christmas, you might want to do it a couple of days before. If it's someone's birthday, as an example, you can choose their birth date, so it goes on their birth date and all those kind of things, which is I just think is incredible. And then it just gives you that little sort of little preview how it's going to look like, and then you would just fire this away, and that is that gift card sent. So what we're going to do, I'm going to have a look in the email now and see how that looks like on the email and how that looks for your customers. Here we can see I've come over to my inbox. It's just come over just now, and I can see, hey, you've got a new gift, Rohan, MyDigiVA just sent you a £45 gift card, and then it's giving you those sort of options how to redeem them. So Merry Christmas, here's that message, and you would just follow, either scan the QR code. I'm going to click here to redeem, and this will just show you that is now where I wanted this to go to my product list with all my services. It's a £45 gift card. So I'm directing people on here. We can see my store. Let's say I've got £45. It can be redeemed against any of this and just will reduce the value. But let's say here we've got a £45. Here's a pay-as-you-go hour. I'm going to take that QR code, and here we're going to say I want to, yeah, that's okay, let's go and buy this now. And then it will bring up those said details. And here at the bottom now of all our checkouts, we can see our redemption codes. We can apply that code on here, and now we can set that payment, and that job is now done. That will go through your normal checkout stores, giving them a thank you, your order's being placed, etc., etc. Okay, so that is part number one. So what about when we want to get our customers or invite your people, the general public, to come buy this gift card to other people to come and shop in your store? Okay, so let's go back to the store. So when we come back to the store, what we will see now is, if you recall, here's those gift cards that I've created. We're going to keep with this one with those three denominations we collected. Now, what the other option here is that we can now see, we can deactivate this if we want to really cancel them, delete them, usual sort of things. If we want to tweak it, edit those, we can do. But we've just done the send from internal. But if we want to now sell this product, then what we can now do is now add this onto your store. It can be on a landing page, it can be on your website. You can share this link with customers in a newsletter, an SMS campaign, you name it, however you want to do it. Those options will come. For this example, what we're going to do here, again, if I do an email campaign, I might do a little thumbnail of my image and drop that link in for, hey, go and treat yourselves and go and buy some gifts for somebody. But what we're going to do here is I'm going to put this little checkout list into one of my website pages. And the way we do that is very simply taking that code, and then what we do is navigate over to one of your funnels. For this one, I'm going to navigate to my shop store. I'm in my product shop page, and what I've done is I've just created myself a little bit of an extra section at the bottom line, and I'm going to just drag and drop that code into the page here. And then what I'm going to do is just click on here, open up that code editor, and we're going to drop that said code into the site. We're going to hit save here. And what we shall do is we'll do a little preview now and see what that code comes up. So here, when your people are visiting your store or a specific landing page that you may have pointed someone to, and again, this can be anyway, I guess I probably need to tidy this up, but here now we can see, hey, look, someone now can come in here, choose a gift card to purchase. Do they want a 45, a 90 or a £400 gift card? And just like any other ordinary checkout, it'll go through that very same process here. If they've got who's it for? I'm buying a gift for myself to redeem later. Am I going to do it for someone else? And you'll just fill in your name, email, who the recipient is, when you want it to deliver, what extra message do you want to do, and hit that pay button. Back into the email, your recipient will get an email. You'll also get one say the confirmation of your purchase as per normal, and just say, hey, you've got a gift card, Rohan. Hey, Rohan Williams has just sent you a gift of £45, and the same process proceeds in terms of redeeming that voucher. So I've got to say this is an exciting little drop, and one that is definitely worth having a little play around and getting this tied into your business. It is going to encourage and tie in some extra customer engagement, help with those extra sales, and this is going to be great on the run up to Christmas. And whilst we go into next year delivering all the Valentine's, Mother's Days, Father's Days, and birthday gifts that we can really now leverage and scale up your business with the power of these wonderful gift cards. So that's it from me. Any queries, you know how to get us, and hope you do an amazing job at getting your gift cards out there.